One of the best places, if not the best place, to see spectacular views of Panama City is on top of Ancon Hill. Now, getting to Ancon Hill is very easy. It's located a very short distance from Casco Viejo. Just take an Uber or a taxi and tell them to take you to Mi Pueblito. It is an open-air museum for Panamanian history, and there you will find the entrance to Ancon Hill. Once you are dropped off at the parking lot at Mi Pueblito, just bear to the left, go up this road, and about 100 yards up the hill, you'll find the entrance to Ancon Hill. And be prepared to see some wildlife and some amazing views of the city. All right, so maybe the best view so far walking up Ancon Hill. Wow, this is unbelievable, the view from here. Look at this, Becky. To the right below the hill there, pan over to there. You can see Casco Viejo and the Cinta Costeras going around it. The Amador Causeway. I'll walk up this way a couple of feet, Becky. Wow. Then you can see maybe a dozen. Good morning. A dozen ships or so getting ready to go into the canal. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. So we have been hiking about, I don't know, 15 minutes?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Incline is pretty steep.
Yeah.
Not
it's
bad
a good
though.
hike.
Yeah. It's also June here in
Yeah.
Panama. It's about, what, 7 a.m. right now?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So we decided to come early to avoid the heat. And another thing too, we notice a lot of people out here, so you feel very safe.
Yeah, it's very safe.
Oh, and then you got beautiful views like this.
Look at
wow.
that. Oh my.
All right, so why should you hike Ancon Hill? Here's the reason. What a view. Aha. I am so glad that we did this. Because one of the reviews on TripAdvisor said the views were kind of blocked by the trees, but no, not here. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so we are getting close to the summit. Looks like we're gonna go around the bend, see what kind of views. Getting a good workout, Becky?
I am. We said we were avoiding the heat, but there is no avoiding the heat in Panama. I am glowing.
So this is the best view of Panama that I've seen so far. It is incredible. Oh, Becky, I can't wait for you to get up here. You can see the Bridge of the Americas, the mountains in the background, the dockyard, and then you can see the Miraflores locks from here. It is incredible. If nothing else, this is why you should hike this. Isn't this unbelievable?
This is gorgeous and
wow.
so cool to see.
And right above our head, but Becky can't pan up right now, there was a toucan. He might have flown away.
I think I see him.
But you'll hear the toucan. They have a very specific sound. Oh, this is, oh, come over here, Becky. You can see the Bridge of the Americas and the mountains in the background. Oh, in fact, let's walk. Oh, there goes the toucan. All right. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. That is the Bridge of the Americas. That was built back in the early 60s, I think 1962, that linked the two sides of Panama. And you can also see, in fact, come over here, Becky. Let's see if we can pan down and get those red roof buildings. Those red roof buildings were built by the Americans during the construction phase of the Panama Canal. They were administrative buildings, I think also housing. You see those all over Panama, or this area of Panama. I could stay up here for hours.
Look at all those containers and things. That's crazy.
All right, so should you visit Ancon Hill?
Absolutely. The views are amazing.
Yeah.
And even though we didn't see a sloth today, we're going to try again.
Oh, we're going to come back several times. And actually the breeze right now is really nice. Oh, this is really, really cool.
And it's a great exercise plan.
Yeah. And you see a little plane. I don't know if you
there
can
it
see it or
goes.
not here.
Oh, that's
Little
cool.
plane flying across the canal. So don't miss Ancon Hill on the top of Panama City.